just don't under... What am I even supposed to say? Sorry, kid, your life's a lie. I'm your father. Surprise! All that we have is the word of a father who denies this ever happened against the word of a girl with brain damage.
Do you have an aversion to going to trial?
I have an aversion to losing. Man, Amy gave me that as an anniversary present.
Is that how she told you she was pregnant? Mummy, daddy, baby.
So, tell me again, where were you yesterday around 4?
Yeah, I'm sorry, someone got hurt.
Critically injured, actually. But what you're saying now just doesn't make any sense.
You're doing it right now. You're controlling me right now.
This isn't you. This is the drugs talking. You've been dreaming, haven't you? Hearing whispers in